Hi, my name is Sarah Grizzle, and I come from the small town of Hopeville, California. I am actively involved in FFA and was elected president of my local chapter for the upcoming year. I am also on the Imperial Section FFA officer team and the Southern Region FFA officer team. I competed in vegetable crop judging, pest control, and impromptu public speaking this past year. My SAEs consist of raising a boar goat for the county fair, agri-science fair projects that specialize in plants, and grow a 27-acre alfalfa seed field. I come from a farming family and love the agricultural way of life. As a junior, my goal is to attend Cal Poly San Luis Obispo to major in crop science. Volleyball is my all-time favorite, and I'm also a lover of the outdoors and hiking. I applied to AgDiscovery because I love science. I was eager to explore the many diverse careers in agriculture, and I know our country needs agricultural leaders. I was hoping to expand my knowledge in the ag industry, and I thought what better way to do that than attend this camp. I'd like to describe my experiences here as a toolbox that I'm constantly filling up. A high school education has provided me with the box, but I have to build myself up and be able to experience and discover the many opportunities in the field of agriculture. I must take it upon myself to ensure it's filled with connections and skills, so I will have the knowledge behind me going into an agricultural career. The first and most important tool in my toolbox will be my involvement in FFA. FFA has given me the opportunity to attend this camp and will always continue to open up new doors to my education and future work. Along the way, I've made new friends, learned how to communicate effectively, and am constantly developing new leadership skills. Another important tool that came out of this camp would have to be working directly with researchers in extensive labs. It's not just an ordinary science class where we use textbooks. It's now using the scientific method to solve problems. Whether it was food safety, using our portable microscopes, or looking at weeds and insects under a microscope, it correlated with my interest in science. My third tool is hearing presenters explain their jobs and passions. This creates eagerness in me, but also leaves me a bit more indecisive with every presentation. It has been a wonderful time, and all these different pathways really opened up my eyes. One of my absolute favorites was night catching insects and then pinning them the next day. The seed industry was so much larger than I had ever anticipated, and now I understand the international complexity of seed production. New experiences in the lab included how to extract DNA and find the DNA code. In another lab, we got to X-ray seeds to look for diseases, fungi, mold, and larvae that are found in many plants crossing the border, all of which could harm American agriculture and the world by bringing in new insects and diseases that are not native. Because of this camp, I know for sure I want to be involved in the agronomy and entomology part of agriculture. Although I enjoy science, I learned that I would not enjoy working in a lab all day. I'm grateful for this camp because I'm walking out with great connections, unforgettable processes, and new vocabulary and understandings that I can put in my toolbox for later on in life. In conclusion, I'd like to take this time to thank the sponsors, the University of Arizona, and the USDA for providing funds for this camp. In addition, I want to thank all the advisors and presenters for spending so much time with us and sharing their very own experiences and pathways. Finally, I'd like to thank the other campers for such great company, laughs, and new friendships.